The Chemron Industrial Heavy Duty Stainless Steel Cleaner is formulated to remove tea staining and corrosion common to stainless steel surfaces exposed to the elements. The formulation, once applied correctly, will chemically brighten the surface. For use on such surfaces as balustrading, commercial kitchens and tanks. Read the safety data sheet and always follow the instructions when using this product. Step 1. Prepare the recommended dilution as per the instructions and carefully mix. Apply some water to the affected area before applying the chemical cleaner. With a brush or non-scratch scourer, agitate to a foam to remove contaminants and allow to stand for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing with water. Dry the surface thoroughly with a clean cloth before applying the stainless steel sentry. Step 2. Spray directly onto the surface or using a clean cloth. Apply the stainless steel sentry and lightly rub onto the surface to provide a smooth, long-lasting protection.